Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about sleep, dreams and yoga nidra. Whereas the wakeful state of consciousness is known to us all, the sleeping state is less well understood. Nevertheless, modern researchers have been able to determine many of the psychophysiological functions and characteristics of sleep, and their findings can provide a basis for the scientific analysis of yoga nidra. Sleep is a naturally occurring condition of generalized rest and relaxation of the mind and body, characterized by the absence of conscious thought, sensation. Sleep is a natural form of pratyahara which occurs as our consciousness spontaneously detaches itself from the sensory and motor channels of experience. When the consciousness dissociates itself from both the sensory organs and motor organs, contact between the sensory motor cortex of the brain and the external world is gradually lost. As this occurs, the consciousness is progressively withdrawn and redirected internally to its source. Research has shown that during this period, the sense modalities are disengaged systematically in a fixed order as the awareness is internally directed towards the deeper levels of the mind. According to tantric philosophy, this entry into sleep can be understood as the progressive withdrawal of the awareness back through the chakras towards its cosmic source of aura. For example, according to the research, the sense of smell, olfaction, is the first sense to disengage. In Tantra, this corresponds to Muladhara chakra and the earth tattva element. Smell is followed by taste, or station, corresponding to Swadhisthana chakra and the tattva of water. After taste, visual capacity, which is the modality Tanmatra of Manipura chakra, disappears, and touch, Anahata, air element, and finally hearing, Vishati, Akasha or ether element. We can now understand that yoga nidra, in which awareness of the verbal instructions alone remains, corresponds to a stage of sleep at the very borderline between wakefulness and dreaming.